Hi guys, this is Jordan. Welcome back to my third instructional video tutorial for CSC-251 Advanced Java Programming. For today's video, I'll be going over exception handling, focusing on try-catch finally statements. Our topics today will include what are exceptions, how to handle them, the print stack trace function, and then we'll go over some sample code demonstrations. First, what is an exception? An exception is an event which occurs during the execution of a program that disrupts the normal flow of the program's instructions. Essentially, it's an error. When a method encounters an error, it creates an exception object and hands it off to the runtime. This is called throwing an exception. After that happens, the runtime tries to find something that can handle it. This is where catch statements come in. A try-catch statement lets you try a segment of code and catch errors as they occur without the program crashing. If a problem occurs inside the try block, the runtime will go through the following catch statements, trying to find one that can handle it. The finally block is code that will always execute when the try-catch block ends, no matter what happens inside, short of an application crashing. So I've got a small program here to demonstrate the concepts I've been discussing. Now let's compile and run the code. Okay, our message got printed and the program exited, but it didn't crash. This is one of the most basic examples of a try-catch block. We tried to do something, an error occurred, we caught it, and instead of just letting the program crash, we printed a message indicating something went wrong, even if that error wasn't exactly helpful in this instance. Let's take a closer look at our catch statement. Note we used exception E. This is the main exception class. All other exceptions are subclasses of this one. This will catch any type of exception, no matter what. While useful at times, especially since we can't always predict what kind of problems will occur, often we want something more specialized, or a group of more specialized catch statements. Let's replace exception E with arithmetic exception AE. Now the catch statement will only work for exceptions of that specific type. If some other problem occurs, like an array boundary issue, the catch won't intercept that and the program will crash. Let's add this problem and demonstrate. Int test equals new int 3, and over here we have test4 equals 5. And let's run it. It crashed. I just created a size 3 integer array and tried assigning something to its fourth index. The program crashed because we tried assigning a value to an index in our array that doesn't exist. That type of exception, as you can see down here, is an array index out of bounds exception. If we want multiple exceptions to be caught, we can add them one after another, like so. Here we add catch array index out of bounds exception AIE, and we'll have it print out you went outside the index bounds. If you're going to use the main class exception itself, make sure it is the last catch statement, or any other statements after it won't work, since the main one will catch them first. Really, a good compiler shouldn't even let you compile if you have exceptions that come after exception itself. So today we've gone over exception handling with the try, catch, and finally statements, and we've seen a way for printing out useful debug information for small applications. My next video will be discussing files and streams with a focus on bytes, buffers, and file operations. Until next time, thanks for watching.